large tires, as you can see, that walk in tandem. We do offer 2, 3 and 4 axle steering if need be, but we believe that the simpler the better. So this is what we've developed here so far. We have over 12 models in the range, truck mounts. These are all truck mounted if needed. And yeah, so that's the main features. The other thing is, when we developed it, we wanted to use everything from North America. So the only things we have to buy from Europe are the gearboxes. Nobody else builds them here, but other than that, everything is North American. We use truck hubs with oil bath bearings like the truck industry does. We use 2 1/4 inch drive line. We use 2 1/4 inch bearings on every single bearing on the machine, so you just need one bearing as a replacement. And we have a fully reversible hydraulic driven chain, so if you get a stone in there or anything that shouldn't be in there, it is reversible. We use 3/4 inch grade 100 chain, which is one of the heaviest chains you can buy, and that gives us a really great reliability. So that's basically what we did, was developed it on the rental fleet, and as everybody knows, if you can't break it in the rental fleet, it really can't be broken. So we like to think reliability is one of our main strengths.